I was tagged in a video from Hoop and Home on how to make these Pom Pom button holders, and these are amazing. I have tagged the video below. Go check out her video on how she makes these and watch how easy it is to attach the pom-poms to the beanie. And you can use a crochet hook for this part, but I always seem to fight the crochet hook trying to get it through both layers, so I like the needle. And I just double up the yarn so I have a little bit more strength in the yarn so it doesn't bust or break as I push it through. So now that's my yarn, and I just pull my yarn through, and then that brings the little elastic band through, and then now I get a crochet hook, yarn, and then she just took the button and put it over like that. Look at how awesome that is. And now our pom-pom is secure. Thank you so much, Hoop and Home, for posting that video. This is awesome and a total game changer for adding pom-poms. I love it.